Beats, the producer, songwriter, and entrepreneur.
What am I doing?
Huh?
I thought do the pallet.
No, mommy. No, mommy. No, mommy. No, mommy.
So what's up, guys? It's your boy Rnb Beats. Today we're going to be doing a DIY video on how to make a bed out of pallets, well, a bed frame. So this is my first video, so we're going to get it cracking. So the first thing that we're gonna get, we got some spray paint, then we have some sanders. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand down the edges and then I'm gonna paint it. All right? Before I forget, as you can see how I got the bed set up, this is going to be the bottom frame, and then the top piece is going to be the headboard. You got it, right? So what you want to do is, you want to get your sander, right? You know, I don't have a sander, but you can get one if you like. This right here, this how men do it. This how we did it in the barbaric days. So you sand it. Get that going. You know? And then you... hey. Oh. And then that's how you get it. Yeah, so this is something I wanted to do. Something new. Something fun, creative I want to do. So a DIY, you know, pallet bed. You know, if y'all have any questions, hit me up. You know, I can share everything that I know. Boy, this thing sound like a tambourine, like you can have some churches. What you know about Jesus? He's alright. What you know about Jesus? He's alright. See, that's the version that my ancestors sung. You know, as they was crossing the water on the slave ship and all that. Well, I'm about to have to get somebody from Uganda to shake this thing. Well, I'm getting tired. Where all my Uganda people at? When you go like this with the left hand, it's something that happened to you. It's like a praise on the inside. And I'm about to give up. Amen.
I got so many questions and I need answers. I got so many questions and I need answers.
See, I'm walking down the straight and narrow path. I can choose to go left or I can choose to go right. See, on the left, you got the money, power, and the fame. And on the right, it's being talked about and never being ashamed. See, God, I need so many answers, cause I'm living in a world that's so corrupt. God, and I'm trying to do right. I'm just trying to be the light.
Get a workout doing this.
That's what I believe. That's what I believe. That's what I believe. I believe. I believe. Yeah. That's what I believe. That's what I believe. That's what I believe. I believe. I believe. I believe that Jesus is the Son of God. I believe He died and shed His blood.
All right, so we got the first one painted. It's a little splotchy, but we're gonna fix it. So basically, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do them all like that, and then once I get everything finished, spray painted and sand it down, oh, excuse me, I'm gonna come back and show you guys the end result. Thank you for watching. Wait, Y'all thought I was gonna leave without giving y'all a dance? You get your woman and y'all already know how we do this thing. Well, good morning. So I'm back. I got the pallets finished and painted. I let them dry overnight. So now I'm gonna put it together. So one thing I will tell you is to be careful when you're sanding down, because some of the pallets, the edges are like chipped and kind of messed up, and I had a thing go through my finger last night. I was sanding and I didn't see the chip part and it went straight through my finger, so now my finger, I can barely even bend it. But whatever.
He needs some milk.
So that's basically what the bed's gonna look like, and that's gonna be the bed frame. Good guys, so I'm back to finish my pallet bed video. When I first got this apartment, the walls were white, so I wanted to do something different. So I painted the walls gray. I painted the pallet bed black, and then as you can see, I have the red ottoman. So I have little red pieces here and there just to, you know, bring it out. So we're gonna put the bed together. Bed set for this, I had to have it specially imported, and so I had to go to the factory, the warehouse, or whatever you want to call it. So I went to good old Walmart, and, you know, I talked to a few salesmen, you know, to find out what would work for me, you know what I mean? So we came up with this set right here. I don't believe they have anymore, but if you go online to their warehouse at walmart.com, you may be able to pick up one. This is 100% silk cotton, or, you know what I'm saying? I believe this is what the prince and kings, you know, lay their heads on. You know what I mean? You know, soft as a, you know, soft as a baby's bottom. You know what I mean? So I did make a mistake. The bed curtain, there was a bed curtain, so I just went ahead and put it on there. So this is my first DIY project, making a pallet bed for my bed. Some of the pros that I find is pretty neat. You know, people come over, they're trying to figure out what is it sitting on, and how I did it, the pallets. And then the cons that I found were you wake up in the morning, you can't find your phone. The phone is behind the pallet bed, or it's under it, or something, whatever the case may be. But other than that, I haven't found any other cons. So this is my first DIY project. Whoa. Hey, you there, do you want to go to college today? Now, in all seriousness, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you could please do me a favor, like and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on all my social medias at Raquan Beats. That's RAQUANBEATS. Share this video with your family, your friends. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. Thank you guys so much, because I will be having a lot of new content coming. I will have beat videos, other DIY projects, and just some of the things that I've done around my place and different things like that. So y'all subscribe so you can keep up to date with me. Peace.